Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see one mnemonics for the axillary artery. Okay, you know the axillary artery is dividing into three parts. Okay, part 1, second, and third. So, what is how to remember the branches of the axillary artery? Okay, so this axillary artery, there is one mnemonics. Okay, before that, I would like to tell you one thing, that axillary artery is dividing into three parts. Three parts. Okay, first, second, and the third. Three parts. Okay. So what is the mnemonics? Mnemonics is the Silpa. Silpa love to. Here is mnemonics. Silpa love to. Silpa love to. ASP. ASP. Additional superintendent of police, right? So Silpa love to ASP. What is the meaning of this? So S, Silpa, S means, see, where is the axillary artery? Axillary artery is a continuation of subclavian artery, right? So it is somewhat here, right? So it is in the thorax part, right? So superior thoracic artery. S means superior thoracic artery. L means lateral thoracic artery. Lateral thoracic artery. T means thoracoacromial artery. Thoracoacromial artery. ASP. A means anterior. See, this is the which one? Humerus, right? So anterior circumflex humeral artery. Right? Here is the P. P means posterior. Posterior circumflex humeral artery. So, and here is S. S means subscapular artery. Subscapular artery, right? Remember, here is the subscapular artery. I am not telling you suprascapular artery. Okay, don't confuse. Here is the subscapular artery. Okay, so remember this, subscapular is. So, what is the mnemonics for the axillary artery? Silpa love to ASP. Okay, how I remember, actually, Silpa is my senior. Okay, not super senior, right? And I used to remember like Silpa love to Amanpreet Singh, right? Both are my seniors. Okay, don't mind it. But you remember like this is Silpa love to ASP, right? Now there is three parts: part 1, part 2, and part 3. Okay, from part 1, how many branches? One branch. Part 2 from 2 branches, and from part 3, from last part there is 3 branches. Okay, so which is the which artery is the part of first part of the axillary artery? Which is the in the second and for third? Okay, how you have to remember? So you have to remember this mnemonics like this only. Okay. Silpa love to Amanpreet Singh. So first word is the Silpa, right? So this is for this. Silpa is for first part. This is for first part. For first part. This superior thoracic artery is arising from the first part of the axillary artery. Here is the 2 branches. So love to this part. This for the second part of the axillary artery. You know, here this is the 3. Okay, so these are the from the third part. Okay, so you don't have to multiply which is the first. You don't have to think, okay, which is the first, which is the second. Okay, if you remember this mnemonics, after that you should not like think like which is first, the second part of the third, right? So first word is for first, second 2 words for the second, and last 3 words for the third. Okay, so axillary artery is dividing into this 3 part by pectoralis minor muscles, right? In these 3 parts, and this is your mnemonics. Okay, the Silpa love to ASP. Okay, Assistant Superintendent of Police, right? This is the mnemonics. Now, can you tell me this axillary artery is a continuation of? It is a continuation of the sub. Tell me, it is the continuation of the scapular. Which artery? Subclavian artery, right? So I want to see, this is mnemonics for the axillary artery. Okay. Now I want to how to remember the branches of the this. So branches of the subclavian artery. Subclavian artery, right? And you know subclavian artery. Okay, from here is only axillary artery. Axillary artery is the continuation of this subclavian artery. Okay, so now we are going to see the branches of the axillary. This subclavian artery. Axillary artery we have seen. Okay, now in the subclavian artery there is three parts. Okay, part first, part second, and part third. Okay, again it's from first part, second part, and from the third part, right? So how you have to remember? You have to remember VIT. Okay, so here VIT. VIT. V means vertebral artery. Vertebral artery. I means inferior thoracic artery. Thoracic artery, and T means thyrocervical trunk. Thyrocervical trunk. Now this is the branches from the first part. This is the branches from the first part. Now this thyrocervical trunk is giving three branches, right? So from here thyrocervical trunk, three branches. That is the SIT. SIT. S-I-T. SIT. Now S means, tell me, S means suprascapular, not subscapular. Subscapular is a branch of axillary, right? Here is the suprascapular. Suprascapular artery. I means inferior thyroid artery. Inferior thyroid artery. And can you tell me this T? T means transverse. Transverse cervical artery. So from first part VIT and this thyrocervical trunk 3 SIT shape. Now branches from the second part. For the second part and the third part, you remember like VIT CD, right? So VIT is the first part, C and D. So what do you mean by this C? This is the costocervical trunk. C means this, you know, the C means costocervical trunk, and D means dorsal scapular artery. Dorsal scapular artery, right? So this is the branches of the subclavian artery. Okay, you can remember VIT. Okay, vitamin C and D, right? So this vitamin are not good. Okay, SIT. Vitamin C and D. Okay, that is the shit. Okay, this is how you have to remember the subclavian artery branches. Okay, now you have one overview that from here is the arch of aorta, right? Here is the arch of aorta, and you know here left side there is the two branches, but right side only one. That is the right brachiocephalic trunk. Okay, from here subclavian artery, and here is the common carotid artery. Common carotid artery. Am I right? So from here subclavian artery, it's become a axillary artery, right? After that, it is the brachial artery. Okay, after that it will divide. That is the radial artery and the ulnar artery. Am I right? After that only you know. Okay, so this is the mnemonics. How you have to remember the branches of the axillary artery. How you will remember? Silpa love to AST. Finish. Okay, first, second, third part. And the for this subclavian artery, how you have to remember? VIP or vitamin C and D. Okay, and shape. Okay, so thank you. I hope it will be useful for you guys. Okay, so thank you very much.